Hi guys, it's Unders, and in today's video I'm going to show you what to do if your song ends up on the wrong artist profile in places like Spotify. So one of the things that's happened in the last few years with more and more people releasing music is there are lots of artists with similar names, or in some cases entirely the same name. I have this issue as well. Myself and another artist who have pretty much been going side by side in releases go under exactly the same name, and we've had to keep everything relatively split as we go because we're in very different genres. Every now and then, as a result of this, some of the stores will end up getting tracks in the wrong place, and you'll find that maybe your track or someone else's track ends up on your music profile, or that it is entirely mixed up overall. This happened with one of my recent releases, which frustratingly was a pretty successful release, and I didn't realise it had happened for a little while. So my track Like a Fool, as we're going to put up here, ended up on a brand new Unders profile linked with one other release track which doesn't seem to be myself or the other guy that we've already discussed. As such, this track and mine were just sat there on a profile, which meant anyone who discovered my track or ended up linking out to it couldn't then discover the rest of my music. Massive downer. But thanks to today's sponsor, we're able to fix issues like that. So DistroKid have a service within their distribution called Fixer. In this next section here, I'm going to show you how Fixer works and how we can get our music back on the profile it should be on. Log into your account, you've got your releases here. We need to go over to the section here, the little cog icon, which is our settings. Inside here, we've got this guy, the Fixer. Store's got you on the wrong artist page, some other artist on your page. We can help. Click over on the Fixer and let's see what we need to do. So what needs fixing? My release is on the incorrect page, and that's the case in my case here. So that's what we're going to do. We need to select what store has got it incorrect. So in this case, it's going to be Spotify, but as you can see, most of the major players are on there. We need to choose the release. Now I've got two versions of this track released. One was for Beatport and then one is for the streaming sites. So I need to make sure I get the right one. I'm going to choose the artist. Now here we've got the URI of what needs to be submitted. You can click on the blue text here, and that's going to give you a walkthrough of how to get it, but I'm going to show you right now. So we need to go on a desktop version of Spotify, and we need to find the track. For ease, I've put it down the bottom here so I can just choose it, but we would go into search and we'd search for the track and find where it's been misplaced. And to get the URI of the track, we need to click on the three little dots once we've got the track open. So don't be mistaken and go for the one up here. We need to get the track play here. You've got three dots just here. We're going to go to share. We're going to go to copy Spotify URI, and that is what we need. We would post that link in here. And do you already have an artist page? If you've already released music, the answer is going to be yes, and you're going to give the URI of your artist page as well. So to do that, I would go into Spotify. I'm going to search for myself. I pop up here, you see my artist page, and here we need the URI for the artist page. We're going to go to the three dots on the artist header, into share, and copy Spotify URI. Once we've copied that, we need to put that into our artist page. That's it. We're just going to submit finished. Now, really important to note, we've got Spotify track and Spotify artist, and those are those special URIs for each one. Once we submit that via DistroKid with these guys, it's usually about 7 days to fix it. Guys, hope that video is helpful to you. Should certainly help you fix some of those problems much faster in the future. Boom. So that is how we can use Fixer to get our music back on the right profile. And as you saw there, mine's already been fixed, and that track and all the plays and everything that have come over with it are now set on my profile, meaning when I log in and check my stats, I can see what's going on with that track and where it's being added, who's playing it. More importantly, when I start driving traffic to it again, it's going to land on my profile, and people who do enjoy that music, when they come and find it, are able to play the rest of my tracks. Hope that video has been helpful for you guys, and I will see you on the next one.